Well, I work at college, so really it's making sure that I'm keeping current with all the trends, techniques, so that I can pass that on to the learners at college. So for me, the cutting side today was really good, but also I have got a real colour background, so just seeing what they did with the colours today was really inspirational. And I also love the mood board side of it, so getting the learners to kind of think where artists get their inspiration from. So having a mood board, I love that idea, so I'm definitely going to take that back. You can see both of them today, the passion that they've got, the way they were holding the head, the way they were talking. So it kind of gives me a little bit of that passion back as well. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I just really enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend anyone else to come at these courses, because I'm definitely coming back.